Hello dear students, today we are going to learn how to prove root 2 is an irrational number. So first of all, we will assume that root 2 is a rational number. But we will assume this is a rational number. And we know that the property of a rational number, any rational number can be expressed in the form of a by b, where we know that the denominator b cannot be equal to 0. A and b are integers and co-prime numbers. These are co-prime numbers. First of all, we should note that what are the co-prime numbers. What are the co-prime numbers? So we can say that, let us suppose two numbers p and q are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. It means there is no common factor except 1. Okay, like if we are taking number as a 2 3, then we know that there is no common factor between them except 1. That is, we are taking 4 7. What are these are also a pair of two numbers, so that they don't have any common number except 1 common factor, we can say, like. Okay, so see here what we will do. We will cross multiply this is b under root 2, this is equals to a. Now what happen, we will square both sides, this becomes 2b square. 2b square equals to a square. What we did here on squaring both sides. So what do you see, on squaring both sides we got root 2 square is 2, b square is b square, and a square is a square. Now you can see here what is b square. B square can be written as a square upon of 2. So you can see here 2 dividing, here 2 divides a square. If 2 divides a square, definitely we can say that 2 divides a also. 2 divides a also. Okay, if 2 divides a also, so we can assume that a we can assume that a equals to 2c, because 2 can divide it. If 2 can divide it, so definitely 2 is a factor of a, so a is a multiple of 2, so we can say that a equals to 2c. If we will assume this equation as the first equation, so we can say that a equals to 2c, we will use in 1. We will use this value in 1, then what we will get, we get b square is equals to 2c whole square upon of 2. Okay, and this will be 4c square upon of 2. This gives 2c square. Okay, now you will divide by this 2 here, and this becomes 2b square upon 2 equals to c square. Okay, so again you got here 2 divides b square, so 2 divides b also, we know the theorem. B also, if 2 divides b, so what we got here, so we got here 2 is a common factor of, this is a common factor of a and b. Okay, but according to assumption, a and b are co-prime numbers. We assume these are co-prime numbers. If these are co-prime numbers, so what happen, so this is the contradiction to our assumption. Contradiction to our assumption. Okay, it means our assumption is wrong, hence we can say that root 2 is not a rational number. Root 2 becomes a irrational number. Okay, root 2 is not a rational number, this becomes is an irrational number. Okay, I think you got it. Thank you, have a nice day.